Okay, as promised, here is some video of the old International Super C pulling the John Deere wheat binder. They finally got some of the new adjustments into it dialed up and working, so it's tying the bundles again and making a little bit smaller ones than what we had going on Sunday. Be a little easier to handle. Anyway, the reel goes around and pulls the wheat into the sickle bar cutter that's on the thing, laying the wheat down on a canvas that rolls up in between another pair of canvases that act like a conveyor belt, which shoves them out into the knotting area, which has just made a turn there. You can see it coming up here. There it goes again, just tying a knot and making another bundle. Anyway, this is just a little bit about what we're going to do tonight. I think we're going to actually fire up the thresh machine and run that as well. In our 2019 wheat harvest, we're just about done tonight with the last of it. And I'll spin the camera around. You can see the last of it actually being fed into the machine. So here you go. Looks like they got just a couple more bundles and we'll be officially done with it. There we are. There's the last bundle. Now it's just cleaning up some of the loose stuff and we'll be officially done.